outside and unplugged the plug that actually goes into the plug that goes into the water tank. When I'm going to blow through the shower tube, that's then all the taps are on, no water coming out because the pump's not on. That's then hopefully going to blow whatever blockage is in there. It's going to blow it along the pipes, because when I was doing it yesterday it wasn't actually blowing the water through because the pump was plugged in. So now I've unplugged it, hopefully it's got a free rein to go all the way through the pipes and actually just clear this blockage. So I'm going to turn the shower on, turn that on, the kitchen sink is on, and then all I'm going to do is get rid of the water. Let's just dry that off. I'm going to blow through here and it's going to blow all the water and stuff through all the pipes. Oh. That's actually working, look. As I'm blowing, hopefully, that's going to go right through the cavern. It's going to take me a little while. While I'm blowing, the water seems to be making a funny noise. And what's happening is I'm blowing and there's no resistance. Watch. So I think it might have worked. After blowing into the shower hose, after getting a pump pumping through the outside of the inlet, putting a pen on the end because it wouldn't quite reach, and sellotaping that to the pump, blowing through the shower tube a bit more, I've given up. And I had to admit defeat, which I don't do very often, but I had to admit defeat. I called a mobile caravan technician, and he's kindly come out to assess the situation. I think I might have actually made it worse. But as well, while the water wasn't working, and it turned out it was the merge pump or something, he went home. He's come back today to finish the job. The fridge broke as well. So I had no fridge all weekend. All the stuff in the freezer's defrosted. No fridge, no freezer, no water. But I gave in and he's come back to finish it and repair it. And then hopefully I've got some water, a fridge, for a very minimal cost.
I'm alright though. Don't worry about me. Morning.